When you're on the go, you want to make sure your device never runs out of juice, and if you've got multiple devices then you'll want those covered too. With this Taurus Smart Power Bank you can do just that. Before I get into it, here's a quick unboxing of the product. You get a user manual, the power bank itself, a nice little waterproof carry case and a USB-C cable. In terms of size, it's quite compact, enough to be put in this case and carried in your bag. It's not incredibly light, but it's pretty powerful, so it's to be expected. It weighs around 400 grams, so it's not exactly heavy. The front has the iMuto brand name engraved, and there's a smart digital display that shows the remaining power. I'll demo that shortly. On the right hand you'll find the power button. The left hand side has the micro USB port, and the bottom is where you'll find 2 USB ports and 1 USB Type-C port, making this power bank compatible with almost every device. You can charge 3 devices simultaneously too, which is very handy. Now to demo that smart display. As soon as it's powered, the percentage remaining will show, so you'll know exactly how much juice it has left, which is great. I used it to fully charge my iPhone X and my Samsung Galaxy S8, and from 100% it went down to 60%. That's really awesome. It easily gives me 4 to 5 smartphone charges, but you can get more out of it with devices with smaller battery capacities. As the box says, it gives a one-time charge for the latest MacBook Pro, which is still good for when you're travelling or generally away from home and don't have a plug socket that you can connect to. So with a battery capacity of 16,750 mAh, the Taurus X5TC makes for a really good power bank that lets you charge your USB and USB Type-C devices, and for £25.99 it's not bad. Its capacity is its biggest pro, the digital display is a nice touch, and the ability to charge multiple devices is definitely a win. I would definitely recommend this if you're looking for a power bank for when you're on the go. Don't forget to subscribe for nothing but tech from a woman in tech, and thanks for watching.